What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to balance this chemical equation. We have C4H6O3 plus H2O gives H2 C2H4O2. C2H4O2 is acetic acid. So how we balance it? We have atoms of C, H and O. C we have 4. Here we have 2, so if I put 2 here, we're gonna balance the carbon atoms. And then what else we have? We have hydrogen. Hydrogen here we have 2 times 4 is gonna be 8. We have 6 here and 2 here is gonna be 8 as well. So hydrogen is balanced too. What about oxygen? Oxygen we have 2 times 2, which is 4, and we have 3 plus 1 is gonna be 4 as well. So that's balance. So 1 mole of C4H6O3 plus H2O is going to give you 2 moles of C2H4O2. I hope you liked this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.